Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Lyssa. Today I have a special recipe for you guys. I've been wanting to try this recipe out for a very long time. It is a water pie. Apparently this is a Great Depression recipe, but I've been seeing it a lot and it looked hella good to me. So we gonna go ahead and try it. So they said all you need is pie crust, a pre-made pie crust, sugar, flour, salted butter, and vanilla extract. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. And got all my stuff measured up. So I'm following this recipe exactly how it comes on the website that I looked at. But this is 1.5 cups of water, and it says, oh, also this is a deep dish pie crust. It says to just pour the water inside of the pie crust, y'all. I know they look crazy, but it looked good, so we gonna see. And this is 1 cup of sugar. You need 1 cup of sugar and 4 tablespoons of flour. And I'm just gonna mix this together. And I will also put the recipe in the description. Yeah, I'm gonna mix this up real good and I'm gonna come right back. All right, y'all, I got my flour and sugar mixed up, and it says to just sprinkle this into the pie crust. I'm so excited about this because it looked good. It looked like custard or something. All right. It says do not stir this. And then we take our vanilla extract and just put a few dashes. I'm putting a lot, but whatever. Then it says to take 4 tablespoons of butter. I think that's what it said, 4 tablespoons, and just put them on top. All right, it's looking very depression-y around here. All right, y'all, so that is the pie. They said that's it. So I got my oven set to 400 degrees and we're gonna bake this for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the next step. Y'all, so it's been 30 minutes that I've been baking this on 400 degrees, and as you can see, this is what our pie looks like. Now the recipe says, well, my little crust is getting brown. It says to cover the edges of the pie crust with foil, and then we're gonna bake this on 375 degrees for another 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all. So it's been another 30 minutes, and this is what our pie looks like. As you can see, I covered the crust with foil so it didn't burn. Now it says to take this pie out and let it chill completely, and then it's gonna supposedly thicken up some more. As you can see, it's still jiggly right now, but that's what's supposed to happen. So I'm gonna come back after it cools and then I'm gonna taste it. All right, y'all, so this is the end result of our water pie, and as you can see, it actually looked pretty good, don't it? I made it look cute. I put some whipped cream and stuff on it, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. Make sure I get that crust because it's a little jiggly and stuff. I'm not a jiggly pie fan, but we're gonna see. Y'all, it's actually not as jiggly feeling as you would think it is. Like, it looked jiggly, but it got the texture of like pecan pie or something like that. Y'all, this is not bad for real. It tastes like pecan pie without pecans in it. If you put like a little more vanilla or some cinnamon or something, this is good. So, I mean, if you poor or something like that, I say you try this out. I don't think I would make it to eat again, but it don't taste bad, like for real. But anyways, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with Lyssa.